Hello again, George here. Today I have a simple tutorial on how to create a template from a Fusion composition. Let's use the dot we created last time. Okay, here we have our Fusion composition. For better orientation, I renamed every node I want to possibly edit parameters in. They now start with an underline. Select all nodes except the last one, Media Out. Right-click on one of them and select Macro, and then create macro. Now you have a list of nodes with different parameters. The ones with an underline are sorted at the beginning of the list. Check the ones you could possibly edit in your template. You can also rename them so you know what each one does later. After selecting everything you need, click on the three dots in the top right corner and save it wherever you want. Then edit to Davinci by dragging and dropping it into the Fusion Page Effects library. For example, you can put it into Template, Edit, and Titles. And it's done! Now you can access it in the Edit page and simply animate it. However, for better and easier animations, you still need the Fusion page. If you want to delete the template, simply go to the Fusion Effects page, right-click on it, Show in Folder, and delete it here. I hope you liked the video. Have a nice day and see you next time.